In this video, I will show you how to set up and use Wispr Flow to speed up your workflow using only your voice. I start by opening the app directly from the Microsoft Store to access my main dashboard. Once the interface loads, I head down to the Settings menu and navigate to the Experimental tab so I can toggle on command mode. This is a crucial step that allows me to use advanced voice instructions later on. Next, I navigate to the Snippets section in the sidebar. Snippets are great for saving time on repetitive text, so I'll click Add New to create a shortcut. I give this snippet the name, concern, and dictated a long, professional customer service response into the expansion field before saving it. To test this out, I open a new draft in Gmail. Instead of typing, I simply use my voice to say the word, concern. You can see the app working in the background to recognize the trigger, and it immediately expands that one word into the full, detailed email I just created. The initial text feels a bit formal, so I highlight the entire message to refine it. Using command mode, I tell the app to make the text sound more natural and human. The AI processes my voice command and instantly rewrites the email into a much friendlier and conversational tone. Finally, I head back to the Wispr Flow home screen. Here, I can review my recent dictation history and track my productivity stats, including my total word count and words per minute speed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.